In this video, I'll show you how to make a free private server in Plants vs Brainrots on Roblox. From the home screen, scroll down and press on the Plants vs Brainrots game, and to the left of the play button, press here. That's going to load this menu, and you'll see the second option down, create the private server. That's going to load, and we'll have the option to give the server a name, so just name it whatever you want. And then when you've done that, press buy now. As you can see, the server is free. So after the purchase is complete, you want to press customize. And there's a few things that we can do in here. You can add people to the server if you have their username. You can allow joining. So if you don't want anyone else to join the server, then you would simply disable this. And then you also can generate a private server link. So you need to enable that. And then press generate, and you can now copy the link to your server. So that's how to make a private server in Plants vs Brainrots. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe.